Now this is a big responsibility, this, Emily.
Where did they come from?
So I need your help, Emily, need your help, please.
I'm right next to the fire.
Genuine technical instructions.
The goalpost.
You need to watch over that window.
The lights are going to fight, alright, she knows what she's doing. You don't let me do it, make her eye picks in it. Are we going to help Emily? We are, aren't we? And how are we going to help Emily? Yeah, that's exactly what we're going to do. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls of Oldham, please, if you would, if I can get the nod that we're ready to go, I'm getting the thumbs up. Are you ready, Emily? 10!
Different drinks at the same bars. I know about what you did and I wanna scream the truth. She thinks you love the beach, you're such a damn liar. Oh, those great whites, they have big teeth. Oh, they bite you, that you said that you would always be in love. But you're not in love no more. Did it frighten you